In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SHEIN account and successfully make your first purchase. Whether you're new to online shopping or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin with setting up your account on SHEIN. First, you'll want to head over to the SHEIN website or open the SHEIN app on your device. On the home page, you'll notice a sign up option, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Remember, you should use an email that you frequently check, as SHEIN will send important order confirmations and shipping updates there. After entering your details, click on Create Account to proceed. Keep an eye out for any immediate welcome emails. These will often contain exclusive offers or bonus points that can be used for discounts. Once your account is created, you can now log in using the email and password you just set up. Logging in ensures that any items you add to your cart or wish list are saved, making your shopping experience seamless. Now, with your account ready, let's go shopping. Browse through SHEIN's vast categories and collections to find the items you love. To add an item to your cart, simply select your size, color preference, and quantity. Then hit the Add to Cart button. You can continue shopping or review your cart by selecting the cart icon, usually found at the top corner of the page. As a first-time shopper on SHEIN, it's a great idea to capitalize on discounts and offers available. Before checking out, search for promo codes specifically for first orders or any free shipping offers that may apply. These can typically be found on the home page, in your welcome email, or through a quick online search. Once you've found a suitable promo code, head over to your cart. Look for a space where you can enter your promo code, usually on the checkout page. Carefully type in the code and click Apply. You should see the discount reflected in your total amount almost instantly. If the code doesn't work, double check the terms and conditions or ensure there are no typos. Now you're ready for the final steps, completing your purchase. Enter your shipping information accurately, including your address and contact details, to ensure your package arrives without a hitch. For payment, SHEIN offers several options, from credit cards to digital wallets, making it easy for you to choose what best suits your needs. Verify all the information before confirming your order to avoid any mistakes. With everything set, click on Place Order to finalize your purchase. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. Congratulations, you've just successfully created your SHEIN account and completed your first purchase. Enjoy your shopping, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.